We have a date finally. What's up, y'all? It's your boy JRE, and right now with the VIP news, Bigbang actually has a date, and it was a lot sooner than expected, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be like, you know how YG works. He says there's a comeback, and then the next year it finally is a date. But now it's April 5th. Wow. April 5th, so 4 or 5. Some people, or some VIPs are speculating that it's 4 out of 5 members, because the month of April is 4 and the date is 5, so 4, 5. Or it could have been something else. I don't know. You guys can put in the comments down below what you guys think. But all I care about is that Bigbang's coming back. I want to know what their sound is. I want to see more concept photos. So hopefully, I'm just here for the ride. I know detective. You guys are the detectives. I'm just here to enjoy. We've been waiting, girl. I still have my VIP light stick. I shipped it all the way from Hawaii. I'm like, girl, I knew one day it was gonna come. It's, what is it? Like literally a photograph of a Polaroid that's just not developed. It says Bigbang, 12 a.m. I guess Korean Standard Time, and April 5th, 2022. Damn, we actually have a date. I don't know, this is literally the first thing I woke up towards, my Discord. If you guys don't follow the Discord, we're freaking out about Bigbang, so if you are a VIP, come through. This is sooner than expected. Literally, today is March 20th, and it's on the 5th, early April. And I wonder if this teaser poster release, is it gonna like develop like at certain days? Like, is it gonna like keep on like show an image to show the concept? Because I want to know what the concept is, what the sound is, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fire, because obviously Bigbang and G-Dragon's mind in general. I just can't believe it. Like I'm always excited for Bigbang news, but just like having an official date in a poster, it just makes me happy. Well, I'm guessing, I don't know, with the whole Polaroid. Obviously Polaroid in pictures are like throwbacks to, like, they're just pictures to, like, I don't know, what does a Polaroid mean? Just memories? I wonder if it's gonna be like the picture is gonna be like of them when they first debuted, or like when they were younger. But you guys can put in the comments down below what you guys think of this Bigbang comeback. I'm excited, hopefully you're excited, and yeah, follow for more. Again, we have a podcast called Pinoy and a Half. You guys can check it out. We did talk about the Bigbang comeback there too. I think for episode 2, which is gonna be out soon. More Bigbang news. I want this. I needed this. It's giving me life. Hopefully it gives you life too. Again, follow me on Twitch. I'll probably be talking about that on Monday. There's Instagram, TikTok. We got Discord. Again, join the Discord. Go check out the Discord. We're going wild out there. Y'all have a great day, and stay blessed. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys till next time, alright? Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex